I've been to South Africa before. I went in my gap year and between my first and second years to do volunteering. This project that I did was in the Cape Floristic region, so it was a completely different area. It wasn't so much elephants and lions. It's amazing floral diversity and a few cryptic species and a lot of farmland. The first day we got our camera traps back with a caracal on them, having our first carnivore was amazing because we'd been trying to get them to work for repositioning and moving locations and trying to get the angles right to get decent shots for 2 or 3 weeks, getting nothing and getting quite frustrated. And the day we picked up our first caracal was just a beautiful image of a female caracal. And it was amazing. It was kind of what we'd been working towards. There was quite a lot of human-wildlife conflict in the place that we were. We had one neighbour on one side who had a farm who quite often used lethal methods of control for jackal and leopard and caracal. And on the other side we had a farmer who took great pride in showing us his leopard-proof boma that he'd made for his sheep and told us that he'd never had a problem. He'd had 1 lamb taken in 10 years. So to see like the contrasting attitudes was quite interesting. The camera sharpening and things that we were doing I found really rewarding out there, but I didn't really appreciate the uses and limitations of that method of surveying until I got back to uni and started doing modules in my final year, like GIS and distribution modelling. And so I'd love to be able to go back and do something similar, but with the knowledge that I have from my final year,